31, 2025. It's last day of March, and tomorrow it's already April. We're here already in SM Clark. It's our first day with Leon, and it's also our first day here together in SM Clark, because for almost 1 month we not go together in SM because Leon's sick. And right now we continue to go to hospital in MaxiCare. MaxiCare have a card here, but a little bit expensive. It's called MaxiCare Gold. But Leon have also insurance to another company, but we use MaxiCare because it's convenient and the clinic is so good, people are good, the nurse good, and it's easy to take some blood, urines like this. That's why we go here in MaxiCare. So if you want to have insurance, you go to MaxiCare and make some insurance here. Let's go.
Hi everyone. I want to say about MaxiCare. I already filming about MaxiCare maybe 5 years ago or 3 or 4 years ago. We continue use. It's very good.
My cousin.
Where your cousin?
There.
Grab. Hello. I always use Grab. No, we just go to check up MaxiCare. Shira relative. He work in Grab and also study. I know he study.
He's studying also, and then he
Aviation study in aviation college. I know,
Yes. But why you know?
but I talked with him before.
Oh, you remember what my cousins work?
Yes, I know. Where you want to eat, Shira?
Japanese.
Japanese restaurant. Long time we not been in Japanese restaurant.
Yes. It's long time. Also, this
What?
the donut.
Ah, donut. No, I don't want sweet. So many sweet here. What new? I remember here before Subaru. Subaru closed already, but in April will open. What is this?
Yakiniku.
Yakiniku Light.
Japanese.
Also maybe restaurant.
Restaurant Japanese.
Japanese restaurant?
Yes, yakiniku. I think. Restaurant. Yakiniku.
No, many new cafe open.
Filipino food. One.
Filipino food here? Manam, Filipino food. Good, comfortable place. Hi. Can I see menu?
Sure.
No problem.
Here.
Good. All Filipino foods.
Yes, sir. Comfort Filipino, sir. What's your blog, sir? About...
It's my life Philippines. I about everything.
Can I search it online?
Yes.
What's your
It's
blog?
My Life Philippines. I will give to you name card.
Okay, sure. So I can see my face in your blog. Here? Oh,
You
I
can
will
scan.
search it.
You can scan.
Okay.
When open this restaurant? Because 1 month I not been in SM. I only now I see.
We opened last year, May 9th.
Last year
Yes,
open
sir.
already. Okay, thank you. Good.
Dalawa ka.
Okay, thank you. Someday we come back here.
Okay, sir. We come back tomorrow.
I don't know when. Shaira want Japanese restaurant. Shaira, for me chicken teriyaki, okay? I will eat first. Not so many people now. Shaira like gone. What time now? 4:30. I don't have people. Hello, for two person. Two person.
person, sir?
Yes. Okay. Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Thank you.
Orders complete na po.
Thank you so much.
Nice chicken. Thank you. What you order, Shaira? It's for me chicken teriyaki, I know.
But it's special only because don't have already the teriyaki solo. That and I
What is
separate
this?
it. It's kimchi.
It's kimchi.
And then I have the gyudon.
Gyudon. I know you like gyudon.
It's so good.
Okay. For me chicken teriyaki good. Coffee bean full. Shaira, now last day of woman month. Last day. Maybe tomorrow we change. Tomorrow Ramadan in the Philippines.
Yes, it's, they call it
What name in the Philippines?
LDPTIR. LDPTIR. It's Ramadan here in
It's
Philippines.
one day only.
One day? Yes.
Holiday tomorrow.
But maximum is from May 31 until 2.
One day holiday.
Yes, holiday only. But they do it for 3 days.
3 days?
Yes, here in the Philippines.
3 days holiday, not
Same like Ramadan also.
but Ramadan 1 month.
Same like in
Ramadan 1 month or not? 1 month or not? Yeah, last day high.
Philippines! I love Philippines! Philippines! Go, go!
They say I love Philippines.
Ulit pa pala. Obi? Wala na to. Obi, hanggang ano?
Many students, maybe 5 o'clock they finish study.
You finish study, right?
5 o'clock, because now 5:10.
Oh, smart. Can I ask if
Okay, let's go. Shaira want to take free phone from Smart. You want a free phone, Shaira?
yes, if I finish this April, so if I what is this?
Because we have contract in the Smart
Yes.
and we have what we have gift every 6 months.
Yes. If I continue it. They removed the what is this? The karaoke here.
Already don't have karaoke?
Yes, but have like the box, same like private karaoke.
Only private karaoke
Yes,
have.
but I don't like it.
No, because noisy, if karaoke, private is better. Anker, I like Anker. Many my accessories Anker.
Leo, may mga yung classic class na hanggang mga 6 palag.
O pwede rin kayo mag-upgrade ng basta 599, pwede kayo namin. Para may...
Pero mas mataas kasi yung value ng 9999.
Can we check which phone?
Alright?
Can we check which phone for gift?
No, we don't know.
Now don't have. Okay, thank
Ay
you.
ma'am, pagka balik na kayo.
April, matapasan. Thank you so much.
Po, ingat.
Thank you. DJI, wait, Shaira, I want to check DJI. Action 4. Good afternoon. Action 5 Pro don't have.
No stock, sir.
No
We
stock.
only have 4.
Okay. Even Pocket 3 don't have now. No stock. Okay, thank you.
Don't have new.
I want to buy Action 5 Pro because it's good for night, Shaira. No stocks. Okay, I will buy in China. Yes, this one I want to buy Action 5 Pro. This one. In China, it's okay. In China, have. For night time is better because this camera not good for night time. We sit now in SM and waiting Georgi. Georgi on the way. He play billiard until 5:30 and now he go to meet with us. Later we will go to Walking Street together. I see already Georgi. New style. I think it's dress Shaira because he have so many in pocket have so many things. Hi Georgi. But why you so many things inside? Maybe umbrella. Bottle water. Another water also. Not. Okay. Good play today. Where you play in Mikas? But today Monday, usually in Sunday.
No, Monday, Wednesday,
Monday, Wednesday.
Friday, Sunday.
Okay. Oh, good dog.
Palibutan na.
Funny. Shaira, want coffee? Okay, let's go drink coffee. Chicken price 180.